हमारा पेरेंट्स 20 साल हमको अच्छे से बचा के यहाँ पे भेजा है, सोच के कि बेटा अच्छा डिग्री लेके आएंगे वापस। सर 20 साल हमको बचा रख पाया, यहाँ पे 5 साल भी बचा नहीं पा रहे। सर ये क्या?
Hey everyone, I recently watched the movie known as Alpha It's a 3 episodes long documentary with each episode close to 40 minutes, and I must say that it's a pure nostalgia giver for you. So if you're a college student, you will be able to closely relate to what all things they have shown in this particular episodes.
तुमको ये पढ़ने बोला गया था, तुमने नहीं पढ़ा, तुम बुड़बक हो, निकलो यहाँ से।
The story of IIT Kharagpur, and I must say from an IIT or you're from a college which says that world is here, where are you? You will be able to relate to the story very well. We basically know Kharagpur for two important things, that is the longest platform and the second is IIT. This documentary completely throws light upon the second aspect, that is the IIT. It has been able to show us the IIT in its full form and completely pure raw footage of IIT.
IIT Kharagpur was supposed to be developed as showpiece to show how Indian engineers can be trained.
You get to see IIT Kharagpur campus from inside, which most of the engineering students watch in dreams. Each episode has various chapters talking about student life in IIT and of course IITians. It shows us the reality of education system, which most of us are aware and many aren't. You are one among lakhs who goes to an IIT, and after going there you wanted to do something else, but you're doing something else. You wanted a different department, but you get something different. You think of getting a perfect 10 and upgrading your branch, but reality is often disappointing. Some discover their passion after going there, some consider themselves as loser, and some shine. Study something different for 4 years, get a placement somewhere else because the placement they want don't have much opportunities.
And we see that the life of engineers in engineering college is a bit similar, but there is a difference in the quality.
आई एम द फर्स्ट गाय इन माई फैमिली जिसको इतनी एजुकेशन मिल रही है, जो इतना दूर तक निकल पाया है।
उसके बाद सेकेंड ईयर में डिपार्टमेंट आया, समझ आया कि नहीं ये चीज़ मेरे लिए नहीं बनी है, जिनको करना है वो करे, बट मैं नहीं हूँ जो कि वो करेगा।
It also shows how we lag behind foreign colleges or are different when it comes to joining a department by choice. You stay happy here because all you are in an IIT. Nobody asks for a statement of purpose into why you are best in this field. 3 episodes are not enough to tell you the reality entirely, but this raw footage of students has shown some real dark secrets of IIT. IIT is like freedom after so-called jail. So why should somebody study being in an IIT? The thing that directs our energy is missing. So we put energy in everything except studies. The reason is also the teacher to student ratio, which has grown from 1:6 to 1:250. So that connection seems to be missing.
And here we get to know that CGPA is of 4 categories. They have named it as Chhaggi, Satti, Atti and Neli. And it's also mentioned that Chhaggi is an emotion. Chhaggi means 6 CGPA and 6 CGPA is an emotion. And as soon as the CGPA increases, the person is considered to be like only studying.
You're confined in a place and you have to make the best out of it.
Contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports and Games.
लोग किसी भी हद तक जाने को तैयार होते हैं अपनी आइडेंटिटी को बचाने के लिए और उसको स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए।
नंबर से एसोसिएट करने लगे, जो नंबर है ना हर जगह नंबर, वो बहुत प्रॉब्लम का रूट है हर जगह।
It also makes us feel that at some points of time in life, winning points are very necessary, and how life is competitive, not only in studies, that sometimes even becomes secondary. It's for events and tournaments. And we also get to know about the girl to boy ratio, which is 1:9, and difficulties girls have to go through to become and get elected as the leader of the patriarchal college team.
The second episode is completely about placements and interviews, like how people wait from morning till the evening for interviews. Like they rush to the training and placement, wait there for around 9-10 hours, then they are getting their interview schedules. And also we see some professors talking about some existential crisis like
engineering is not about passion anymore. How many engineering colleges are there in this country? How many?
लोड तो है, तुमको अब अल्टीमेटली एक जॉब चाहिए कि एवरीबॉडी इज गेटिंग प्लेस एंड यू नीड टू गेट प्लेस सून।
कैसे बनाते हैं रिकरेंट ये सही बना रहा हूं मैं, मुझे फंडा होना चाहिए।
there are no jobs in the core sector and people have to shift to data analytics or data science or some other field which they are not interested into. Companies are not visiting the campus. Companies are coming, taking 3-4 very bright students, and that's all. This is the scene that is for core branches in IITs as well. And it's similar, like you have been studying something else for the entire 4 years of your college life and you are going to do a work that is not even related to that. So this is something that they have shown it very well. The third episode basically throws light upon a festival that is celebrated in Kharagpur known as ILU, and how people are celebrating, like students from first year, second year, they are coming together celebrating with diyas and all. So that is shown in its very pure and raw form. Then it sheds some light into the cases of suicides increasing in IITs, like people even in their third year, final year, how they're committing suicides and what can be the reasons behind them. So like the entire scene is shown in very raw form, I would say.
Through this documentary, we get to see a magnificent and beautiful view of the hanging diyas forming beautiful shapes and artistic rangolis, cut out to prove that teamwork can create a masterpiece. And then we get to see the real dark truths of IITs, that is suicide. We can also see Biswa Kalyan Dutt saying, everyone doesn't get success at one time. Everyone has its own different date and time. We even feel a sense of melancholy when at the last night of college, a group of friends celebrates it by partying and enjoying.
If you have been to IIT or any other engineering college and your experience have been similar, so do let me know in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe this channel for amazing content coming ahead related to placements, related to internships and life in general. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.